What's going on, people? Hey, this is our first hike after my surgery. We are going up to a little trail called Thunder Knob. It's in the Ross Lake National Recreation Area, which is inside of the North Cascade National Parks, which is inside the Mount Baker Snoqualmie National Forest. Yeah, government just loves getting their fingers in everything. So we're heading up there. It's just a short little trail. I'm going to kind of break in. It's like a break-in hike for my foot. I think it's about 800 feet elevation gain in a mile and a half. It's not super horrible, but we'll see. Trip reports said that there's a lot of blowdown up there, but it is passable. So we are excited, and Gus is ready. Gus, are you ready? You ready to go for a walk? Want to go for a hike? Want to say hi? He's grumpy as usual. So we're going to head out.
It might not be no crossroad, but it's sure enough for far. Like left to LA, or right to New York. Like stepping on the gas, or taking it real slow.
Well, we made it. Oh my gosh, what a slow drive that was. We are at the Thunder Knob Trailhead parking lot. Right there. So we just started a trail. You kind of come down through into the campground here. It's not really well marked where you park, where the trailhead sign is, but here's the Thunder Knob trailhead sign, and you can see what we're dealing with right to begin with. First blowdown of the trip. This will be fun. Well, there was only one car in the parking lot when we got here. This is a short little trail. I think it's like a mile and a half, a little over a mile and a half. One way, it's like 3.5 round trip. One of the things that is becoming noticeably apparent to me is that walking Gus in these trails with a leash, it's a big pain in the butt. But I don't want to risk getting a ticket and getting kicked out of here today, since this is our first hike. This is really pretty. We kind of went through the river washout where it kind of braids through in various different places. And then now we're in this kind of an older moss covered forest. This really is a nice little trail, but there again, I have to complain. I know, you're supposed to keep your dog on a leash all the time and everywhere basically, but Gus just does not do good on a leash on trail. I suppose if we practiced a little bit more, maybe he'd be more accustomed to it and have it figured out, but holy smokes, this is a pain in the butt. But this is a nice little trail. It's a beautiful day today. It's got to be in the upper 50s here. I'm hiking with just a long sleeve shirt and t-shirt over that, and I'm sweating. So can't wait till we get out to the viewpoint. We're gonna go. So they actually have a pretty active bear population up in this area. And it says that they've got bear silhouettes, decoys here in the woods. I'm not seeing any right now, but we'll look for them on the way back, or maybe even ahead. Arrow's pointing downhill, so yeah, that's kind of interesting. So we'll mosey on. Like we might have reached the top. Look out, Gussie. Move, buddy. Because we got an overlook here. This is Diablo Lake here, off there in the distance. Come here, get over here. Get up here, up, sit, stay. So that's Diablo Lake. Now last year we did the Diablo Lake Dam, or the Diablo Lake Trail, and that starts right down here, just past that boathouse. You can see that washout from that drainage right there. The trailhead starts in there and it follows all along up through here, and actually that's part of it right there along the tree line there, I believe, and then it curves around and to where you can see Ross Dam. So, and that's Highway 20 down there. You just can't get away from civilization. But what a gorgeous day. I'm not sure what those mountains are, but they're tall and snowy. So we're gonna look to find maybe a place to eat some lunch, just sit here and take in the views and relax. I believe we have hit the end point. We got a view of the Diablo Lake Overlook. That's that right there. Well, right there. Another mountain, I don't know what the name is. Got Diablo Lake down there. Now, this portion of the lake right down here is like a little finger that goes up to Panther Creek and the Colonial Creek campground. And that down there is part of Diablo Lake that we saw just a few minutes ago. And this is a nice little spot right in here. I think we're gonna sit here and chill for a while and just enjoy the scenery. I brought my camp chair, Kyle. I love my camp chair. It's so relaxing for an old fart like me. we just got done eating lunch. Met a nice young lady named Sunny. Sunny, if you're watching this, good luck to you and your trip to Thailand. I hope it all works out for you. We're very envious of that because I love Thai food. So this is the first trip out since my surgery, where I've actually carried a backpack. Gus and I have done a few things on up at Northern State and just some walks around the town, 2-3 miles, nothing serious. But my foot feels really good. We'll see what it feels like on the way down. Yeah, we just had lunch. Things were good. Found a bag of dog poop on the trail. Actually, it was kind of hidden off the side of the trail. It's like, come on, people. If you're going to bag up your dog's crap, haul it out, for crying out loud. I mean, what were you thinking? You know, at least pick it up on the way out. It's not like it weighs that much, and your dog packed it in. Make the dog carry it out. But this is why trails get closed off. Man, have a clue. We're heading down. Got a lot of nice people, young couple up there with their little kids. They've been up here in New Halem for a couple days, I guess, and heading back tomorrow. But what a gorgeous day. Oh my word, it's warm. It's definitely t-shirt and short weather up here. Yeah, I've elected not to use my trekking poles on the way down just to see how it goes. My foot feels really good, so, but I'm still going to take it easy. All right, well, that's it. We're back at the trailhead. We're on the paved road in the campground because the trailhead actually starts within the campground. So Highway 20, or the North Cascade Highway, is right there. And we're almost back. It was a great day. It was beautiful up there. What a way to start off with my first hike of the season after my injury and surgery. So yeah, we're gonna go hop in the truck here and maybe find a cold beer. Well, that's it for the first trip of the year. Again, this was Thunder Knob in the North Cascades. Actually, not the North Cascades. It's kind of in the North Cascade National Park. It's actually in the Ross Lake National Recreation Area, which was within the national park. We're both pretty tired, not super tired. Gus is ready to get in the back, is what he's doing. He doesn't do that very often. Hey, if you like the video, go ahead and smash that like button or gently caress it. Subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because that's going to tell you every time we upload a video, and there's going to be a bunch more this summer. Anyways, so endeth an epic day. I'm sure glad we came up here. My foot feels pretty good, but we'll see what it feels like in a little while after driving almost an hour and a half home. So, hey, we'll catch you on the next one.